Hey people, so we are at Happy Rabbit Farms because this is a mother and child pair, and these are, these are chinchilla rabbits. And those of y'all who are following my page know that as mother and child, we really, you all have seen our journey. So those are it's like, so we are getting ourselves 2 little rabbits.
Multiple females with this male.
Oh, yeah, correct. But we are just, so this is nice, and we are hoping that our rabbit grows to be this size. This is the rabbit we are choosing.
New Zealand, right?
Which babies?
And the babies in this.
Oh yes, yes. If you could show us that, we could. There are little baby rabbits beneath this thing. Oh, she must be so possessive. Yes. Oh, that is so tiny. Yeah, this one, yes, chinchilla.
Soviet chinchillas are my favorite breed.
Yeah, Soviet chinchillas. I think we should. So I'm so glad I've come here. And these are
definitely
rabbits that are okay. This one is very naughty. Nah?